They do earn pretty well. I won't deny that. आपको कंपनीज यूजुअली वो मिलती हैं जिस लोकेशन में आपका कॉलेज होता है. पर्सनली मैं कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचती कि जीडी में आपको सबसे पहले बोलना है. It completely depends on the topic.
D saw mostly, I mean, it just loves college in Delhi, right? Be it IMI, be it LBSIM, they're everywhere. Do they also help in getting more companies? या फिर ये बिल्कुल Placecom खुद ही handle करता है?
That is something which Placecom handles.
We know that D shop paid the highest, which was around 24.
Yeah.
What was the lowest CTC? Alright, welcome back to College Dunia MBA. My name is Anurag. In this new episode of podcast, we have Chitra from LBSIM, the very famous Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management. We'll talk in details about LBSIM की admission कैसे होता है, placements का क्या scene है, campus life कैसी है भी या नहीं है. Moving on to Chitra now. Chitra, welcome.
Thank you, Anurag. Thank you for having me here.
Great, it's good to have you here. Chitra, पहला question. खुश हो, दुखी हो? Are you happy?
Yes.
LBSIM, after LBSIM happened to you, right?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Great.
It was a good college, decent college, and life after LBSIM has been fantastic for me.
Awesome. So, where would you place LBSIM if I ask you to rank it out of 1 to 100? इंडिया में जितने भी कॉलेजेस हैं, LBSIM का तुम्हारे हिसाब से क्या रैंक होगा?
So rankings are, your own perspective कि आप कैसे देखते हो. आपको उससे कितना benefit होता है, on that basis you will rank the college. So for me, it's like one of the best colleges I've been to. क्योंकि जितने मेरे पास ऑप्शंस थे उनमें से वो बेस्ट ही था.
But you would not rank it 1?
No, it will not be 1. I would suggest कि अगर आपके पास इससे better options हैं, you should definitely go for it. But अगर ये आपके पास best option है, you can make the most out of it.
True.
So that's the case.
But I still want to have a number. Is it in 1 to 20 for you? Is it in 20 to 30, 30 to 40?
Yeah, could be from 20 to 30.
Got it. ठीक है. बस यही जानना था मुझे. Cool. Tell us more about yourself. Where are you from and ये कैसे MBA का decision कैसे लिया?
Okay, so I'm basically an advocate, and after completing my law, I was practicing for some time, but then I felt कि I was not able to, tap into my complete capabilities. Also, I felt कि जो earning potential था, वो fulfill नहीं कर पा रही थी मैं.
But lawyers earn pretty well, right?
They do earn pretty well. I won't deny that. But there is a certain threshold, and to reach that also you take a lot of time. So I was practicing criminal law, and I decided that, I need to look for other, ventures. So I had two options in my hand. One could be that I go for LLM, and the other could be that, I could pursue something different. उस टाइम पे कोविड था, लॉकडाउन की वजह से आई वाज लुकिंग एट एवरीथिंग अंडर द सन, एंड आई स्टम्बल्ड अपॉन MBA. सो आई फेल्ट दैट MBA इज द राइट चॉइस, गिवन कि जो लॉ में आप सीखते हैं वहां पे आप बहुत सारी स्किल्स डेवलप करते हैं जो आप MBA में यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. सो दैट वाज द रीजन व्हाई आई डिसाइडेड टू परस्यू MBA.
Awesome. Why LBSIM? And इसके अलावा क्या क्या ऑप्शंस थे, and how did you do that, comparison कि कहाँ जाना है?
Okay, so there were two major reasons why I chose LBSIM. Number one, जितने कॉलेजेस में अप्लाई किया था उसमें जो शॉर्टलिस्ट होने के बाद ये बेस्ट कॉलेज था मेरे लिए, एंड इट्स लाइक आई थिंक इट गोज फॉर एवरीवन. जो आपके लिए बेस्ट होता है वो चूज करते हो. सेकेंडली, इट वाज इन दिल्ली. So it was easier for me, to just be with my family and then also go to the college. And हम day scholars होते हैं LBS में ज़्यादातर. We do have hostel facilities also, but because we can actually go to the college every day and up down कर सकते हैं, so that was one reason. As far as the other options are concerned, I had applied for IIFT, IMI, MDI के लिए भी करा था, but of course I did not get admission anywhere. MDI Murshidabad I got, but then I thought कि let's stick to LBS.
Final convert was MDI Murshidabad versus
Yeah.
LBSIM. इसका decision, right?
Yeah.
So I think Delhi factor played an important
Delhi
role.
factor played an important role. So that was the reason. Because ये होता है ना कि यहाँ पे you get more opportunities. ऐसा नहीं है वहाँ पे नहीं मिलेंगी, but I spoke to people from MDI also. उनके Placecom के head से बात करी थी right before taking an admission and deciding on it. तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि if you are in Delhi and if you can go for LBS, please go for it. And that was one of the reasons that I chose LBS.
Good. So it's a great thing, guys. Someone from MDI is suggesting her to go to LBSIM because she is from Delhi. तो अच्छे लोग अभी भी हैं इस दुनिया में.
Yes,
good to know
exactly.
that.
Placements almost similar होती हैं,
Right.
whether it's for MDI or for LBS. एक फैक्टर है जो कोई देख सकता है, which I personally feel काफी important रोल प्ले करता है, कि आपको कंपनीज यूजुअली वो मिलती हैं जिस लोकेशन में आपका कॉलेज होता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस मेरे कॉलेज में मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे हैव गॉट कंपनीज जो गुड़गांव, नोएडा या दिल्ली में है. ऐसा नहीं है कि बाहर नहीं जाते हैं वो लोग. सो इफ यू आर गेटिंग से बिग फोर्स और एनीथिंग, तो आपको बाहर भी जाना पड़ सकता है. दैट कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स, बट देन देयर इज स्टिल अ बिग चांस दैट यू विल गेट any company nearby. अब मुर्शिदाबाद में if you're going, or maybe for some other college, if you want to stay near your place, तो वो चीज possible नहीं है. High chances that you will get some company over there.
Makes sense. Let's come to the admissions part.
Right.
So LBSM takes admission through CAT ZAT and GMAT, right?
Right.
Any idea what is the usual cutoff for all the courses through these?
So back when during my time when I had appeared, so उस time पे सिर्फ CAT होता था, ठीक है, and 80 to 85 percentile is something that you need to opt for and you should have. उनका कोई sectional cutoff नहीं होता है, which is a very big advantage for
Correct,
people
correct,
going for
especially
LBS.
this year after the quant, fiasco.
Exactly. And we had people who had scored really well in CAT, 94 percentile, 95. It's also common in LBS. I do understand that because of sectional cutoff problems, they could not make it to IIMs, but they were there in the college. As far as that and GMAT is concerned, I have no idea about it because मेरे बाद या maybe उस time पे भी
उसी
होगा,
time से
but
शुरू
of
होगा.
course I did not give those exams, so
But still, CAT is the most preferred exam अभी
yes,
भी.
CAT
Right.
is the most preferred and people do get through it easily.
Got it.
I think जितना मेरे जूनियर्स मुझे बता रहे थे तो उनका 75 कर दिया था, 75 percentile, but 80 I think is like the bare minimum that you should
It is
have.
a safe score.
Yes, it's a safe score.
Take a note of this, guys. There are 5 courses in LBSM, right? All of them are PGDM.
Yeah,
जिसमें से 2 I think it's very new. One is your artificial intelligence and second one is e-business, right?
right.
इसके अलावा 3 traditional courses हैं, which is PGDM core,
Mhm.
one is finance and the other is analytics, research and data analytics we
Yeah.
call it. Basic difference क्या है इनमें?
So PGDM general में क्या होता है कि you start studying all the subjects, ठीक है, and उसके बाद you can choose your specialization, be it marketing or finance. वो आप second year में choose करते हो, तो it gives you an edge because you have an overall idea कि exactly business management क्या है, how's the environment, how the companies are working. So you get a lot of idea in that regard. उसके अलावा when it comes to finance, so it's like the core finance. From the first year itself, you will start studying finance. So आपके पास काफी अच्छा एक financial knowledge develop करने का chance होता है उसमें. It's our flagship course also. And when it comes to R&BA, जो research and business analytics है, it's mostly about big data and you have to get into computers and know everything about analysis and analytics. So they'll teach you languages and all these things. तो ये major difference है इन तीनों courses में.
Okay. And ये decision कब होता है that I have to select either PGDM core, general which we say, या फिर R&BA या फिर financial management या बाकी दो. So when do you have to decide this while applying?
Yeah, right. While applying, so जब आपके पास इंटरव्यू के लिए कॉल आता है उससे पहले एंड उसके बाद भी they ask you for your preferences, like which one you are getting into. So you have a fair idea. आप decide कर सकते हो and उसके बाद भी sometimes it happens like during our time there were few students जिन्हें बिल्कुल last moment पे it clicked to them that this is maybe not the right thing, so they had to talk to the college authorities. And if you are an eligible candidate according to the college, that you can be shifted to another profile, only then you will get an admission in the other profile.
Okay.
क्योंकि cutoffs में भी difference होता है for different profiles.
Right. So which is the course which has the highest cutoff? Or which is the most preferred? Finance.
Yeah, finance
ठीक है.
and PGDM
Core वाला.
for general
ठीक है.
one.
Are placements common for all these courses? I mean, for 3 courses which were there in your time, तो placement एक साथ होता था या अलग-अलग होता था उनका?
Placement सबका एक साथ होता है. अब now it also depends on the companies that are coming, right? So अगर कोई finance की ही company आएगी तो उसमें they will have their own criteria कि this is the eligibility criteria. So sometimes it used to happen कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ finance के बच्चों को
Okay.
लेके जाएंगे. So only those.
And what about those जिन्होंने finance पढ़ा है in second year in core?
Yeah, so depends completely on the companies that they are getting. अब किसी का अगर criteria है कि finance minors भी चलेगा, तो even people who had studied marketing, right, and they had minors in finance, they would also sit for those companies.
So it's a centralized placement for all
Yes, it
courses.
is. And
Okay.
placements are nice. So that is one thing that I can assure you कि वो सबके लिए अच्छी होती हैं.
Great. And companies know that you are from PGDM core या फिर PGDM finance.
Right.
They have.
Yes,
They know this.
companies के
Okay.
पास पूरा आपका बैच का प्रोफाइल होता है and they will also have all the information about you as a candidate. So उनके पास सारी डिटेल्स हैं.
And जो फाइनल डिग्री मुझे मिलेगी LBSM से, उस पे ये मेंशन होगा कि कौन सा कोर्स मैंने स्टडी किया है.
Yes.
Okay.
मेरे वाले पे
So it's
PGDM
altogether a different specialization. मतलब ये नहीं कह सकते कि all are part of PGDM
No,
only.
no.
ठीक है. एक entirely separate course ही है ये. Let's talk about the process after the exam. So what happens when once you get a call? कितना टाइम मिलता है and what is the usual process of VAT, GDPI?
So you do get some time to prepare. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल ही टाइम नहीं होगा. हमारे टाइम पे it used to be an extempore जो उन्होंने हमसे ली थी. It was an online process back then, by the way. Right now it's not online anywhere. अब तो proper offline ही होते हैं सारे processes. So we had an extempore 30 seconds का उन्होंने हमें time slot दिया था that in 30 seconds you have to speak on whatever topic you were given.
Just 30 seconds.
Yeah, just 30 seconds. And that too it was like a chit system कि आपको आप
So you
कुछ
pick
बता
a
सको.
chit and you start speaking.
Yeah, they will pick a chit because
Okay.
it was online, right?
Okay.
So they picked the chit and they told me कि ये आपका topic है and they won't give you time, you just have to start. So they are basically checking, you know, कि आप कैसा perform करोगे under pressure also and how quick are you in thinking, what are your capabilities, सब check कर लेते हैं. And these people are very smart, you know.
Isn't it very random? I mean, let's say if I get a topic जहाँ जिस बारे में मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है.
ये तो सभी के लिए even that happens for GDP है,
Right.
right? अब
No,
GD
but
में भी
at
नहीं
least
पता
you should
तो
be given some time to think, right? 10 सेकंड सोच लो, 20 सेकंड सोच लो.
कोई ले भी सकता है. So I
Okay.
had this advantage that being an advocate, I've always been, you know, good at speaking and, you know,
Right,
thinking
right.
about topics on the go. So maybe I did not take time. Maybe some other candidate would have taken some time. So we had extempore. फिर उसके बाद एक हमारा GD हुआ था. GD was with, you know, some 7 students who were there, you know, candidates who were there in the GD. And उसके बाद finally we went for interview.
जीडी कैसा था? Like any random fish market जीडी जो हमेशा होता है या
नहीं.
थोड़ा
At
disciplined?
least my group, you know, जिसमें मैंने GD दिया था, it was very good. People were very competitive. बिल्कुल fish market वाला scene नहीं था. There was some guy, I don't remember कौन था वो now, and he started it so well. उसने पूरा फ्लो ही सेट कर दिया जीडी का कि हम पहले ये डिस्कस करेंगे, फिर हम ये पॉइंटर्स डिस्कस करेंगे, फिर हम ये करेंगे. सो नाउ इट वाज द ऑब्लिगेशन ऑन द ग्रुप कि आप अच्छे से करो. सो इन केस यू आर नॉट डूइंग वेल, so it's your fault. मैं तो हो रहा हूँ select पक्का. It was that sort of a thing. So
Select हुआ था वो?
नहीं.
Great.
But we
I
had
think
done
I
really
think
well.
it's a very important lesson कि जबरदस्ती का लीडर नहीं बनना है जीडी में. ठीक है? I think जो मुझे फील हो रहा है कि he imposed his decision on the group कि अब यही करेंगे, right? तो कोई और
That would be the
पर्सपेक्टिव
case.
तो आ ही नहीं सकता फिर.
But then it could also be कि उसका extempore में कुछ issue रहा हो, or maybe the
Maybe,
personal
maybe.
interview,
Yeah,
or maybe
right.
he converted some other college, a
Correct.
better college in fact, which is what I would like to think. कि क्योंकि उसकी skills सच में अच्छी थी. And that is something which I learned that day from him, that you know when you are going for a GD, ट्राई करिए कि आप अपना एक माइंड में फ्लो डिसाइड करें कि आप ये पॉइंट्स आगे रखना चाहते हैं. एंड स्पेशली यू नो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग फॉर जीडीज, ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी और को बोलने नहीं देना है. लेट एवरीवन स्पीक. अगर कोई नहीं बोल पा रहा है तो एटलीस्ट आस्क दैट पर्सन कि आपके क्या थॉट्स हैं. So it shows teamwork also, which is very important, and this is something that you learn after MBA mostly. जब हम MBA में जा रहे होते हैं उस टाइम पे नहीं सीखते हैं, but when we started preparing for our placements, we did learn this thing,
Right.
that you know allow everyone to put their views forward. It is always better to have more brains in the
So
room.
I always have a very bad experience with GDs क्योंकि see because we were told that you have to be a leader, right?
Oh,
अब
yes.
10 लोग बैठे हैं और सारे के सारे लीडर बन जाए तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है ना, हर किसी को पहले बोलना है.
हाँ,
तो
ये एक प्रॉब्लम होती है
right.
जीडीज में. एवरीवन फेसेस दिस. पर्सनली मैं कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचती कि जीडी में आपको सबसे पहले बोलना है. इट कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द टॉपिक.
True, true.
अगर आपको टॉपिक बहुत अच्छे से आता है, बी द फर्स्ट वन टू स्पीक, राइट? नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. अगर टॉपिक उतने अच्छे से नहीं भी आता है, इफ यू आर गोइंग से सेकंड टाइम और मे बी फोर्थ टाइम और फिफ्थ टाइम, बट यू हैव अ वेरी वैलिड पॉइंट, ट्रस्ट मी, जिसने पहली बार बोला है ना उससे ज्यादा मैटर करेगा वो. एंड दिस विल ऑलवेज हैपन. वो एक प्रेशर बिल्ड कर देते हैं सारे लोग कि नहीं सबसे पहले इसे ही बोलना है, कंक्लूड तुम्हें ही करना है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
Great. So it's a beautiful piece of advice for everyone. Tell us more about the PI.
Personal interview. Okay, so it went very well. It
कितने लोग
was,
होते हैं पहले? How many members in the panel?
yeah, you can expect at least 3 people in the panel.
Oh,
Yeah, there could be more. So our director, sir, Dr. Praveen Gupta, he was sitting in my panel. That time I did not know कि वो ही director हैं. And the panel is, you know, they'll be very calm. They'll test some skills, of course, which they want to know. वो आपसे क्वेश्चंस जो भी पूछेंगे, आई एम श्योर यूल बी एबल टू आंसर दैट. ऐसा कुछ बहुत मुश्किल नहीं होता है. ठीक है, दे आर जस्ट टेस्टिंग योर बेसिक स्किल्स एंड योर नॉलेज. वन थिंग विच आई वुड सजेस्ट एवरीवन इज टू ऑलवेज नो द पर्पस, द वाई फैक्टर जो
correct.
बोलते हैं ना. अगर आपको वो नहीं पता तो कोई भी इंटरव्यू लाइफ में क्रैक करना बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट. So for me, the reason why probably I could not make it to MDI or maybe other colleges, ठीक है, वो ये भी हो सकता है कि उस टाइम पे वो पर्पस जो था मैं बहुत अच्छे से नहीं प्रेजेंट कर पाई. So there are people, हमें पता होता है हमारा पर्पस क्या है, हम सोच लेते हैं, but then presentation matters, especially back then, you know, जब आपके पास सिर्फ 30 seconds का टाइम है, 45 seconds में आपको उन्हें explain करना है. So be very thorough about it. Practice as many times as you can. Practice your introduction well, क्योंकि वो first question होगा ही होगा कि tell us something about yourself. So be very confident about it. You should know yourself in and out.
Do you recall few questions from the interview? क्या
So one was around my introduction. Second, like why MBA after law, which everyone tends to ask. I also had a gap year. So what did I do in my gap year? How have I utilized that time? What am I looking forward to? How I can actually contribute? These were some questions. कुछ current affairs के around questions पूछे थे मुझसे, and something around geography and history, because these are subjects which I had studied in my graduation. So they had an idea कि क्या क्या पूछ सकते हैं. So yeah, it went
So
well.
I think जो general setting होती है हर बार की कि you need to be
Yes.
prepared on your workets, on
Yes.
your graduation subjects.
राइट, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, आपको पता होना चाहिए दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है. प्लीज ऐसे बिना कुछ रीड करे मत जाइएगा. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट इट. ऑलवेज कीप स्माइलिंग. दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच आई सजेस्ट एवरी सिंगल पर्सन. थोड़ा नर्वसनेस होती है, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे नहीं थी, बट it's like when you're smiling and you come out as a very warm and genuine person, which really helps because it eases you also and it eases them. In case किसी को problem है, they can obviously take some time. They can ask कि हाँ पानी पी लें क्या? They are not going to say a no. They will rather appreciate कि आप कुछ steps ले रहे हैं and you are into it. Be very professional. Something which I have personally felt in my institute, that they are always looking for people who are very calm, composed, and professional in their approach.
So by any means, this doesn't look like a stress interview. जो बाकी I've heard of lot of IIMs जहाँ पे they deliberately grill you. ये टेस्ट करने के लिए कब टूटता है बंदा. Let's see how much pressure can handle. तो ऐसा नहीं था LBSM में.
मुझे ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ. एज फार एज माई फ्रेंड्स आर कंसर्न, जिनसे मैंने बाद में बात करी थी, तो मुझे उनका भी ऐसा कुछ फीडबैक नहीं मिला कि इट वाज लाइक अ स्ट्रेस इंटरव्यू. मे बी फॉर सम इट कुड हैव बीन द केस, बट अगेन सब ऑनलाइन था तो हम इतने लोगों से
Right.
इंटरैक्ट ही नहीं कर पाए. It does come off more like difficult for those people जो offline गए थे. So when our juniors were coming, उनके लिए वो था थोड़ा stressful because they'll be sitting in a closed room with 3-4 people sitting right in front of them, and they have to walk in and they have to be very careful with the documents that they're handling and everything. So उन्हें लगता है stress, but to be honest ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. It's very calm. Even if it's a stress interview, they're just checking कि handle कर सकते हो pressure या नहीं, and if you can, you're good to go.
Great.
Yeah, and also life में, all these tests and these pressures, they keep on coming, right? So it's better to just, take a back seat and relax, even when you're going for any interview. So that's like the best advice that I can give anyone. Just be happy.
Awesome. One thing which I loved was keep smiling.
Yeah.
It actually eases pressure from you and from others as well. So guys, this was the end of part 1. बहुत जल्दी we'll release part 2 as well. Part 2 में हम बातें करेंगे regarding placements, regarding campus life, regarding faculties and overall vibe of the campus. So make sure you are subscribed to College Union MBA. अगर अभी तक नहीं किया तो please click on subscribe right now and become a part of our family. We'll see you very soon in part 2 of this video.